One of our top stories this evening, several travelers from the upstate are stranded in Jamaica after a Category 5 hurricane ripped its way through homes, businesses, and streets.
And now businesses close to home are doing what they can to mitigate the challenges that are taking root in the aftermath.
Our Caitlin Ashbaugh joins us now live in the newsroom after speaking with some of them. Caitlin?
Mark, Sydney, Jamaica is staggering forward in the damage and the aftermath, and we've heard from several here in the upstate who are traveling there or they are on mission trips, and they say right now access to supplies and a way home is limited. The tension's building as they wait for any form of assistance.
This is urgent. This is scary. We are frightened.
Mission trips and birthday vacations warped into a nightmare. A group of women hiding under a mattress as their rental home leaks with water and wind roars like a lion. Family and friends huddle in small spaces, praying for a storm to pass. The account's Jamaican Relief Ministries coordinator, Brittany Hirschberger's hearing from abroad.
They were having to constantly reattach the boards to the windows to make sure that rain wasn't just pummeling inside the houses. Some of the windows that had screens over them, the screens were literally ripped off of the entire windows.
Unable to call them, we received accounts from those on the ground over text. Waiting for access to a humanitarian shelter, they walked to wait in line for a bag of chips and a cup of ramen noodles, the only place open for miles, quickly running out of supplies. Upstate travel agent Josh Knuckles says he's already canceled at least 6 trips planned for clients leaving next week, people who've been paying for at least 6 months.
It's been a strain because now you don't know what to tell them because right now everything is just so fresh.
77% of the island is without electricity, roads impassable with fallen trees and power lines. Montego Bay and Kingston airports wait to safely reopen from damage.
And they're worried, so right now they're reaching out to Facebook and trying to just other social media sites, just trying to check on their people. And the accessibility to get food in, they're just getting together with all the neighbors and just trying to survive and just make it back home safely.
Limited access to food, water, power, and transportation prompts that uncertainty and a push for national aid. Knuckles says that the U.S. Embassy is set to provide airline flights at no charge to the citizens who are stranded in Jamaica once the airlines can safely reopen. Of course, you also are encouraged to help from home if you can with donations or initiatives similar to that is happening at Jamaican Relief Ministries. From the newsroom, I'm Caitlin Ashbaugh.